know.
What do you want me to do?
Do something crazy.
I can't. I'm not a crazy girl.
I want you to run down the street all the way to the end.
Are you serious?
Now.
Oh my god. All the way to the stop sign?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I want to see if she could handle this. As you can see, she's liking it. Look at that little black thing running all the way down there. She's still going. She made it. I know. I feel kind of bad for torturing her.